Night Show with Jojo A all the way dito sa TV5. Valentine's Day.
Program to the very good friend in the Tessie of mine. And that's okay. Before we get started, we're talking about your life. I want to ask you something about family. How many kids do you have?
I have 3. My eldest is a daughter, then dalawang lalaki ang sinunod. And they're all settled now.
Okay. Walang pumasok sa show business, singing, or...
All of them are fond of singing. Kaya lang, hindi na namin sila pinabayaan. Nag-aral sila, nagtapos na sila ng sarili.
So mga professionals, walang ano ha. How about the apo?
Yun, mga apo ko.
Slightly lola.
They are all singers also. Kasi turuan ko sila, hindi ko sabi sa kanta.
Alam nila na ang kanilang lola ay once tawag ng tanghalang champion at saka magaling na singer and composer doon, alam nila yan.
Kaya siguro medyo naging sinasabi sa music because of that.
Pero wala pang pumapasok talaga?
Wala. Just the studying kasi.
Okay. Among the young couple of singers now, who do you think is medyo closest to ano?
Yung jazz singer, si Titi.
Si Titi.
I like her style. Very simple and ibang parang na siya naglalaro, gano'n. Pero yung kanyang pagkanta, magandang dating ng boses niya.
Kasi parang pareho kayo ng style din.
Yung mellow.
Songs yun, ano mga songs that you like? That you listen to and you sing to?
I love to listen to the songs of Celine Dion. Also, matataas yung kanta niya, pero mellow yung i-deliver.
Si Celine Dion is being enlightened to Barbra Streisand.
Yes. And Barbra is one of my favorite singers.
Yes. So who do you think is better? Yeah, I'll controversial, intriguing question to you.
Siguro si Barbara, meron kasi siyang sariling style din And Celine also has her own style. Pero the way they sing, medyo yung may pagka-nasal, pero magandang pakinggan.
Do you ever think of coming back maybe as a singer or kasi pinakikinggan ko tayo kanina habang kumakanta ko. Yung boses mo ganun pa rin parang 19 years old pa rin yung kumakanta.
Aray ko naman.
Diba? Merong mga singers kasi na when they grow old,
nagbabago.
Sounding delicate naman, but their voice grows old also.
Nakakatremulo.
Oo.
Siguro, sabi mo nga technique in singing, nako-control natin. Pero yung question mo, if I plan to go back, tama na siguro pagkanta namin yung simbahan. Appreciate ko yung kanina, bago tayo nagbigay ng program with Wade. It's a very good gesture. Kasi din, pag lumang ako ng kanina, every time we begin any activity, talaga kailangan nandito siya.
Amen.
Kaya bless ang program mo.
Sabi nga namin, at least nagkakaroon ng kwenta pag hindi na lang.
Correct, tama.
Time flies so fast and we cannot let you go and end the program without hearing you sing again. Why don't we, mind you friends is impromptu impromptu view.
I'd like to greet yung aking brother. Itong decade ka hindi umuwi ng Pilipinas. Now they're back. Nandito sila ngayon sa Pilipinas. Nasa Tibag Tarlac sila. Si Joe and Esther Lagman. welcome back and we hope you enjoy your stay here. At sana you'll stay for good. Na-miss na namin eldest brother natin ngayon kasi si Joe. And manonood din yung ating kapatid, si Tony and Carol. And the rest of the clans, si Tarlac, na maligayang panunood. Alam ko nanonood kayo dahil sinabi ko sa inyo manood kayo.
Becky, sabi pa, nakapanalo nyo lang dito ng ano?
30 years ago, yeah, oo.
Okay, sino yun? Para medyo mas maano ng mga...
makarinig naman yung mga younger set na yun.
Gusto sino yun?
Yung maging sikat na kanta sa Titanic yung araw, yung My Heart Will Go On. I hope you join me soon.
Sige, we'll see. But I'd like for ikaw na muna. Your voice is more interesting, I think, and more for our viewers. So, but
sige po. Para sa ladies in action ko nga pala sa Las Piñas, kaya saka sa aming barangay sila, council and our barangay captain, dito Martinez. Para po sa inyo po.
Ano naman nasasabi ng ano? No, technology,
Every night in my dreams, I feel that is how I know go all across the distance, I'm still desperate away. You have come to show me the way. Dalawa tayo. Wherever you are, I believe that my heart will know.
Effortless. Alright,
Kasi ako lang ako ba? Alam ko, hindi lang tayo dito eh.
Jessie Lagman on the Medyo Late Night Show.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Alright, thank you very much for making time. I'm happy that you're well and you're doing very well. As a Kagawad also.
Yes, barangay sila.
And also Ladies in Action.
Yeah, that's my group.
Okay, any parting shot to all our viewers and your fans of before and now?
Okay. Dun po sa lahat ng mga nakakakilala pa sa akin. Thank you very much po at kayo po ay patuloy na tumatangkilik sa mga programang kamukha nito kay Jojo. Dahil alam natin na pagka ganitong oras na marami nang inaantok, but still you keep them company. And we hope and pray na itong program ni Jojo ay will last another 5 decades or even 100 years. Kasi yung mga ganitong klaseng programa po ay nakakaalido sa mga taong hindi pala tulog. Okay, maraming salamat po and we hope to give you more of this program sa mga future broadcasting lang.
The Medyo Late Night Show. Alright, that's all the show we have tonight. Many thanks for watching. Of course, thank you very much to Tita Jessie Lagman. Momentarily, I always leave you with this note. Always do everything thanks for the greater glory of God and for the service of man. Always love and always laugh. It has been the Medyo Late Night Show. And I'm Jojo A.